Let's completely overhaul your operations. We're going to strip away the chaos and build a streamlined machine.
As an MD, your toughest balancing act? Driving daily ops while maintaining ironclad compliance. The solution? 26 years of battle-tested operational expertise from LOGANATHAN, ready to deploy for you.
Whether you run heavy manufacturing or an agile startup, this adapts seamlessly to your specific industry.
Okay, here's the exact 8-step blueprint designed to optimize, secure, and scale your whole infrastructure. We'll start by fortifying your absolute foundation, your people, your money, and your legal standing.
First up, HR. We'll secure your talent pipeline, streamline recruitment, and craft bulletproof HR policies.
Next, let's eliminate those compliance headaches. Flawless payroll processing keeps you perfectly aligned with strict labor laws.
Step 3 powers your financial engine. Get expert tally prime bookkeeping and crystal clear cash flow visibility.
Step 4 cuts right through government red tape, painlessly securing your GST, UDIM, and trade licenses. Now, once that foundation is rock solid, we shift entirely from baseline compliance to aggressive growth.
Step 5 protects your assets. We manage safety audits, fire NOCs, and pollution approvals without delay.
For Step 6, daily administration is optimized to ruthlessly reduce costs and manage vendors efficiently.
Step 7 expands your reach. Complex customs, shipping logistics, and DGFT documentation are completely handled. Finally, marketing. We accelerate revenue by navigating lucrative gem tenders and executing precision digital campaigns. Consolidating all this under one expert literally eliminates the massive risk of juggling multiple fragmented vendors. This holistic strategy doesn't just solve problems, it permanently clears bottlenecks so everything flows naturally.
So, are you ready to ditch the compliance chaos and actually lead your company's growth?